Make a great choice today with the 2020 Insight. 40 miles per gallon. Smooth ride. Performance. Exterior. Interior. Honda Insight has it all. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, power moonroof, rain sensing wipers, speed control. Your new ride is just a phone call away.